What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this here is that RBRC Mecanum RC truck, the one that's able to crab sideways and all of that stuff. Well, I finally got some monster truck wheels on it. I think it looks pretty cool, so I brought it out here. I wanted to see how it runs with these regular wheels on it. It was a little slow with the Mecanum wheels, but it was pretty cool how it drifted and was able to crab and all of that stuff. But I was really anxious to see how this thing performs as a regular RC truck, being that it has 4 motors. This thing has 4 motors. There's 1 motor for each wheel. I think it's a 290 size motor for each wheel, so it should give some extra power. In comparison to the normal RC truck, this should have some pretty good power for climbing and off-road and all. So let's bring this thing over here. We don't have any off-road terrain out here to run it on, but I'm still curious to see how fast this thing goes and all of that. So let's get this thing running. Seems like it has auto brakes on it. It stops immediately just about when I let off the gas. Okay, this is full throttle here. So it's a little faster. The turn radius isn't that good though. Let's see. Yeah, I needed to do some tighter turns. Let's see if I can turn that up here. Steering trim. Doesn't look like you can. So this is the tightest turn that it will do. Check out the turn radius on it. So I'm guessing this thing is going to have an upgraded servo or something. Maybe that'll make the turn radius a little more harder. It still spins out though. So definitely some added speed to it though. A lot faster than it was with the Mecanum wheels on it. Let's see how strong the wheels are. Oh, we can almost climb over this thing. So definitely some power. Oh, it can climb over it. So definitely some power now. Let's see. Runs over this ditch pretty easy. I'm surprised it climbed over that wall there. Let's see if it'll get back over the ledge. No problem. So yeah, this thing has some power, man. Man, the wall gets a little higher on this side. I doubt if it'll be able to climb over. Let's see, maybe if I come on an angle. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, and it does. So a lot of power on this thing now. So the only thing is this turning servo here. The turning servo needs to be swapped out or adjusted. I'll have to fool with it when I get it back indoors to see if I can adjust it some kind of way to get it to turn tighter. The turns are very wide. and it stops as soon as you let off. It starts to slow down really fast. Maybe that just has something to do with the gearing on it and all. Not sure if I want to bash it yet. Maybe I need some oil-filled shocks on it. Then maybe I'll try to take it off to the rock garden or somewhere. But this thing has some added power in comparison to some of these other RC vehicles I have. This is a 1/12 scale. And I don't think any of my other vehicles can climb over this little wall over here. And this thing can do it. Yeah, it's a lot of power in this thing now. So that's it. A quick little running demonstration and test, I guess, of this RBRC RC Mecanum wheel RC truck with regular wheels on it, monster truck wheels on it now. I think it has an awesome look now with these wheels on it. And I like it. Thanks for watching.